Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are doing great. In this quick video, I'll show you how to move columns in Microsoft Excel, whether you are organizing data or reordering a table. Let's get right into it. First, you have to click on the letter at the top of a column and choose where you want to move it. Suppose there is one option, hover your mouse over the edge of the selection until it turns into a four-sided arrow. As you can see, here is the one. Now, hold down your shift button and click and drag the column to its new spot. You will see a gray outline showing where it will land. As you can see, the number here is already moved to the number or the box over here, that is the H2. The B2 number has already came to the H2. There is another option called cut. You can simply double click the number and you can cut it, and you can simply select where you want to keep it and paste it. Both methods keep your data intact and shift everything else automatically, and that's how you can move columns in Excel super fast and easy. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and leave a comment if you have got any questions, and subscribe for more quick Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.